In this video, I'll be showing you how to make someone admin on Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you're using Discord on, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your Discord application, and then right here, you just want to go ahead and find whoever you want to make an admin. So let's just say I wanted to make this person admin right now. Just go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see, they have these two roles right now. All I'm going to do is click add role. And then as you can see, it doesn't give me an option to give them like an admin role right now. So all I'm going to do is click the top left, go to server settings, then go over to members, for example. And then I can just go ahead and click on this person right here. I can press these three little dots and I can transfer ownership to them to give them that role. As you can see, there's no admin role right now. So what I could go ahead and do is go to server settings, go to roles, and then I'm going to make a new role, and I'm going to call this one, let's say admin, like so. And then for permissions, you want to basically just go ahead and give it everything, but then at the very bottom, you're going to see administrator. Go ahead and click on that, and now they have admin. So now all I got to do is go ahead and click on add roles right here, give them the admin role, and now they have administrative rights. Yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.